here. So a little bit of my cocktail that I did was, it had obviously the black barrel monge that I used, but I also made orgeat. For those of you who don't know, orgeat is found in one of the first Caribbean tiki cocktails, and it's the base of it is actually made from almonds, slivered almonds or blanched almonds, and we take that and we put that with some, well, this one actually I made it my own way. I actually took some coconut, fresh coconut and banana, and you have some rose water there, you have a touch of brandy there to give it some flavor, and I actually put a little star anise, cinnamon, and a bit of clove, right? So I always do my own thing. Yeah, right? So this was my ingredient to sweeten the drink, and followed by our citrus or our sour, which is our fresh lime juice. Yeah. For the drink, for the competition though, I actually did a LOL citrus mix, which was lemon, orange, and lime. Yeah. Right? I like that, but for this one, I'm just gonna keep it a little different and a little different play on the notes, because I actually use a different bitters now, and I have apple, pecan, and vanilla. Yeah? So, bro, let's get right into it, and I'm gonna twist this up with a little fresh guava that we had.
So, when you say bitters, right?
Yeah.
You did an infusion with bitters, or you siphon the bitters?
Meaning I actually did an infusion. So I took all the ingredients, and one of the normal ways to create bitters is I actually took all the flavors, put it in with 100 proof rum, which are neutral spirit, and have that sit for at least 21 days. You check on it ever so often, and then after 21 days you take out all the ingredients, you give it a nice cheesecloth filter. But with this one, I wanted a more prominent vanilla flavor, so I put back a vanilla bean. Yeah, you can have a little smell, a little taste. Yeah, you know, we do it local.
Nice one.
Think of it. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting the vanilla.
You want salsa?
Why not? You know, put a little label on it. You know, I ain't trying to get nobody competition.
It's all love in the industry, man. But you see, the nice thing about this is when you use the vanilla, right? It actually brings out the flavors and the notes in the black barrel.
Yeah, for sure.
As well as it works well with the bananas and the coconut. So that's really nice.
It's a definite flavor that everybody palate accustomed to. So that's why I kind of went with it.
Not too sweet.
Yes.
Not too. It's like a banana bread.
Correct.
Or a Christmassy feeling when you do your cakes.
Yeah, for sure.
Right, nice one. Nice.
So I'm gonna throw these in here, and I'm gonna give these a little model. Right. So what this is gonna do now is gonna release all the fruity guava flavors. Now I'm gonna mix this together now. Nice.
So you roll it for a bit.
Roll it, let the flavors infuse without adding ice. Now I add the ice.
Yeah, that's a nice ice cream look to it. Like when you watch it in a glass, it looks like ice cream.
Nice.
With the little sprinkles, mixed in.
Right, as it is there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add one more ingredient that I love.
More rum.
Nice triple sec. This one is Cointreau.
The original triple sec.
The original triple sec. And I'm gonna be adding 1.5 ounce for the 2 drinks. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Last but not least, 3 dashes of our bitters.
Homemade bitters.
Apple, pecan, vanilla.
That's a lot of flavors to play with.
Yeah. But it rounds off this cocktail nice, because as you were saying, the vanilla kind of blends with everything, so it blends nice with the guava and the banana. I wanted this cocktail to be a nice island style cocktail. Just want to make sure and taste that before I serve. One of the things you could do with your cocktails, taste it before you serve it. So if you could adjust it before, if you find it a little too strong, put some more ingredients to make it a little weaker. Too sweet, add a little more sour. So that's one of the tricks we do as bartenders.
Yeah,
taste before you serve, right? So I'm gonna double strain this. I have my hot one and my fine strainer. Right, so double straining, meaning we're gonna make sure all those sediments don't go into the cocktail. Nice. So the fine strainer here now is keeping back all the pulp of the guava. Yeah man, you know the thing.
Yeah, handy.
See? Nice. So for this, I'm gonna garnish. Right, so we have a nice little grapefruit wedge here. I'm gonna take my guava now. Nice. Bro, cheers.
Cheers, my brother.
We calling this one hashtag Caribbean love. Yeah, because you know we full of love in this Caribbean here. We have
Yeah.
all the coconut, guava, bananas. Yeah man.
Yeah. Nice,
Cheers.
man. Cheers.
Ah, wow.
Nice. You see, nothing is overpowering anything
Yeah.
else. Nice. Balance. As I said, it came out well rounded.
And the rum coming through, eh? Again,
Very
I
nice.
still getting the oakiness
Yeah.
and that smokiness from
Slight
the
smoke.
barrels.
The slight smokiness.
Bro,
Cheers, bro.
cheers again. All the best.
Thanks, man.
Get them pace. Get them
Yeah,
trouble.
yeah,
right?
you know that.
You know, I support you 100%, and the whole Trinidad bar fraternity have your back, right?